Hey guys, Fred here, VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors, and it is Saturday, September the 3rd. I just upgraded the Xiegu G106 to firmware version 1.1. There were reports that the radio in paddle mode, in gear mode, was missing some characters. So I've got my paddle here hooked up. I'm set up at 17 words per minute. I'm into a dummy load here on the radio. And I guess also I should add that there's been a couple features added to this firmware upgrade. One of the fixes was to fix the missing characters in CW. They've added a mic gain now into one of the, I believe it's number 5. Yeah, they've added a mic gain into menu number 5. And there is also a reset option. Now, I'm not sure how you do the reset on the radio yet. I haven't got into that, but there is a reset option added. So let's do some testing. I've got the KX2 here set up on receive on the same frequency. I do have an antenna on it to pick me up through the dummy load. Let's just see what the CW characters are like. I haven't used the paddle for a while, and I am telling you right now, I am going to be a little bit rusty. Let me just check my QSK time here, see where I'm at. QSK time. How come I can't adjust it? Okay, yeah, I'm at 8 milliseconds right now. I'm going to just drop that down here a little bit. Okay, I'm going to go to 4. I'm going to hit save. Okay, and let's just see what happens here. And I guess I better make sure my QSK is on, right? There we go. QSK is on. That's what it was. So that was me. Let's just call CQ. So, da, dit, 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 da. So it appears that things are working okay. It didn't really skip a beat on CW in paddle mode, in gear mode. So that's a good thing. I am set up at, what did I say? I was 17 words per minute, I believe. CW, let's see, gear speed. Yeah, I'm at 17 words per minute right now. I'm in auto left. Iambic mode B, A. Oh, I went off frequency here. All right, so it appears to be working. So with that, I guess that's version 1.1 of the firmware from Xiegu. And it appears to be working okay. So we'll see where we go from there. I'll maybe make a contact today or something with it and see how it's working out for me. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. And we had 8 degrees centigrade here this morning here in Thunder Bay, bright and early. That was the low as the sun was coming up. We're currently sitting at 10 right now. Centigrade. And what's the high for today? Let me just look. This is the long weekend here, Labor Day weekend here in Canada. Some signals there. Be interesting to see if anybody picked me up in a dummy load. I highly doubt it, but I guess I got to turn Wi-Fi on my phone to pick it up. Doesn't want to. All right, let's see here. All right, so here. Just waiting for my weather app to load up. So the high today is 19 for today. A low of 2 degrees centigrade tonight. And a low of 0, so freezing, tomorrow night. So it's coming early, that's for sure. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. This is Fred, the VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcraft and Outdoors. Once again, folks, have a great weekend and stay safe.